calling function from another function. Okay, so you already know how to write a function and how to write a parameter for this function and even multiple parameters and even, God forbid, a return statement for this function. Now I'll show you a little trick that'll come in handy one day. You can actually call a function within a function. Let's try it out. Create a function called goodnight and another function called goodmorning without taking any parameters. Inside of the goodnight function, we would have document write, and we will say goodnight. And in the goodmorning function, you guessed it, we will type good morning. And now we will have another function called start, and we will call both functions from the start function. Right now, if we will refresh our page, nothing will happen, because although we called good morning and good night, we have not initiated the start function. Only when we call the start function, we'll see stuff going on. Let's do that. See? When we started the start function, we also ran both functions within it. Now, let's try to break our browser apart. Don't try it at home. Nah, kidding. You can. We will take the good morning function and place it within the good night function, and vice versa. And then, we will start by telling it to call good morning. And for the sake of readability, add a BR tag to each write statement. We will expect the browser to go good morning and say good morning, and then go to good night and say good night, and then back to good morning, good night, good morning, good night, good morning, good night, good morning. It's supposed to get inside of some sort of limbo, leaving its wife and children, and even its own sanity. Let's refresh it, and oh, wow, better than fireworks.